You are trying to replace the earpads on your Sony InZone H9 headphones. My name is Or from Wicked Cushions, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. By the way, the earpads that you will see today are going to fit the Sony InZone H9 and the InZone H7. They will not fit any other headset besides that. Let's start the video. Okay, let's start. So the headset that I have right here is the H9 and it's going to apply the same method for the H7. So you are going to need a butter knife and you are going to be very, very careful with it. Let me show you how to remove the earpad. I'm going to show you on one side because it's the same for the other side. The earpads that I will show you today are interchangeable. There's no left and right for them. So you are going to put the butter knife in this gap right here that's in between the plastic and the earpad. While you do this, you are going to apply slight pressure. You're not going to put a lot of pressure to lift the earpad up. And you're not going to do it from one side. You're going to go and you're going to do it from another side. And then from this side. Don't try to do it all from one side because you might break the earpad this way. You want to make it super easy so by the time you're finished with it, it simply pops off slowly. So as you can see, bam, that's it. That's how you pop off the earpad. Now, as you can see on the earpad, there is 1, 2, 3 dowels, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hooks on the back of the earpad. The dowels go into these little slots right here. I'll try to get a good look for you guys to see. I'm not sure if you can see it. I'll move the earpad so you can focus. But there is a dowel that goes here, a dowel that goes here, and a dowel that goes at the bottom. And the hooks go under these slots. We'll try to see it, but here's 1, here's 2, here's 3, here's 4, 5, and 6. All right, now for the earpads today, I'm gonna use our Wicked Cushions earpads. And if you want to hear more about them, stay to the end of this video and I'll show you the differences. So the design that I'm going to use, as I said, they're both interchangeably. There's no left or right. I'm going to use the design that I like, 90s white, which I think is going to fit really well with this. So you are going to align the earpad. One thing to know, there is a top and a bottom for the earpad. While there is no left and right, there is a top and a bottom. The bottom of our earpad is marked with a seam. You will be able to see it right here. That means that this is the bottom of the earpad. So I am going to hold the earpad this way with my index finger inside. That way I can get a feeling for this hook right here, okay? Once I get the feeling for the hook, I'm just gonna try and put that one in place first. All right, you might hear a click, you might not on the first time. All right, now I'm gonna go inside with my fingers and look for the second hook. See, I found the second one. Now the third, the fourth, the fifth, and I think the sixth is right here. All right, after you're done, you're going to make sure that it's not easily pullable, because if you can pull it and you see that this is not the earpad coming out. This is just the leather because it's hooked on the back. But if you actually see the earpad coming up, I'll show you how it looks like when the earpad comes up. Let me just release one of them. All right, so if you actually see the earpad coming up like this, when you pull the headset, when you pull the earpad, it means that the hook is not inside. I'm not sure if you can see this gap, but if you have a hook that is not attached, it will affect the noise canceling and it will affect the sound. So you want to go over all the hooks, make sure they're all inside, and that is basically it. That's all you need to do. Now let me show you the differences between our earpads and the InZone H9 original, which are the same as the H7. So the original is right here. Our WC Freeze earpads right here. If you know our WC Freeze, the main difference is they are made with cooling gel. Cooling gel layer on the top, cooling gel layer on the inside. The top is also made with airweave fabric and the sides are made with PU leather. This is our 90s white design. We also have our black, we have our geo gray, we have 90s black, and we will have probably more to come. So what's different? The ear opening is slightly bigger. As you can see, it's a little longer for longer ears, and it's slightly wider. Also, when you get the ear pad, if you go like this, it will extend the ear opening. About the thickness, they are slightly thicker than the original, and as you can see, they're just more beefy. If you want to try them out, there's a link at the top right corner right now or in the description below. Check us out and let me know what you think. And that is it for today's video, everyone. I really hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. Our contact information is in the description below. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. I will see you on the next one. Meanwhile, stay wicked, my friends.